Hey guys, Matthew here. In this video, we will look a little more in depth at some of the features that Big Blue Button has to offer. First, we will see how to record sessions and organize them within Moodle so that students have easy access to them throughout the entire semester. Then, we will see what kind of powers you have as the moderator of a session and what students are able to do as viewers. And then finally, we will explore the Breakout session feature, which enables you to create a small group learning environment in an online setting. So let's go ahead and get started. Suppose you would like to have a weekly session online and that you want to record it and make it available to your students. In Moodle, go to Add an Activity and click on the Big Blue Button icon. Name your session and then click on the Show More link. Provide a description to display on the home page if you would like. Clicking here disables students from entering the session until you have joined. The Activate Tagging interface is what we really want to be sure and click here. The link you just created will be the same link you and your students enter into the session through each week. Each time you follow the link, you will be prompted to name, describe, and tag the session. The name and the description will be the only two things displayed through Moodle. I haven't figured out just yet where the tag comes into play, so if you figure that out, let me know. Once you are in the session, be sure and click the record icon. If you forget, contact me or April and we can retrieve it for you, but it will likely take a few days. The recording will automatically upload to Moodle within the Big Blue Button link. The longer the recording, the longer it will take to upload. So if it is anything longer than 30 minutes, give it an hour or so before you start panicking. You can stop recording at any time and start again, and the final product will combine the recorded portions into one fluid recording. Once you have conducted several sessions, this is how they will be organized and displayed for your students in Moodle. If you would like to remove a recording, simply click here. By default, you will be designated as the moderator and the students as viewers. So let's take a look at what features you and your students have available to you. As viewers, your students are able to share their audio and video feeds, chat publicly and chat privately, raise their hand, and respond to polls that you initiate. As the moderator, you are the only one who can upload content to the session, as well as enable the multi-user whiteboard feature to allow students to annotate the uploaded content. You can select a display format and push it to everyone in the session. You can also initiate polls. These polls update in real time as students respond, and then you can publish the results for all to see. You also have the ability to lock certain features from being used. So, if you don't want students privately chatting while you are conducting a session, you can lock that feature. Or, if you want to mute all or just some of the students' microphones, you can do that here. You also have the ability to promote anyone to moderator throughout the session and grant them all of these powers. This icon denotes a user who has moderator powers. And last but not least, you can initiate and facilitate breakout rooms. Breakout rooms are about as close as you can get to mimicking the small group setting in a traditional classroom. You can create up to 8 rooms and either allow Big Blue Button to randomly select who goes where, or drag and drop students to the groups you would like them to be in. There is an option for a time limit, but you can always cut the breakout sessions short before time is up if you would like. Students will be prompted with a dialog box to join the breakout room. Once the breakout sessions have started, you will be able to see who is in which group by the numbers beside the students' names. You have two options in terms of facilitating the groups. You can join the audio feed only, or you can join the room as a member. This will open a new tab and will not affect the original session. Once in the room, you have all the same features available as in the original session. If a student comes in late or is dropped from a breakout room, You can send them another invitation to the room by clicking here and here. If you would like to close the breakout rooms before time is up, click here and everyone will automatically be brought back into the original session. I hope that you have enjoyed this video exploring some of the features that Big Blue Button has to offer, and I hope you know something now that you didn't know 5 minutes ago. Until next time, I'm Matthew. I'll see you later.